There's BMWs everywhere. That is cleaning all the bugs. Here's the new lip. You got side skirts, mirror caps, these carbon fender thingies. This is my favorite car of the day. How cute. Ooh, frozen white. Oh, another M6. It's a Grand Coupe as well. We should park by each other. Brand new 2, 4. Oh my goodness, what? This looks nothing like your car. Let's find out what year it is. Look at those wheels. What's crazy? Or what's going on here? What year? The paint looks great.
M6.
Yeah, wow. How does that make you feel?
Now let's see where the roots come from.
Here's a G80. I love this color. So open from the front. I love the orange interior.
One piece does look better.
Yeah, yours is like a 3-piece.
It is. Yeah, I may end up switching it.
No, don't worry about it. It looks so sick. Yeah, this is a 2014. No wonder everyone thinks yours is a 14. Like, they look the same. Sick M6. Yeah, it does look cool. Bootylicious. Is the M3 or 328? Why would they leave a badge on? Was this just for a joke? Let's see. No, it is an M3. They're just trying to like trick us. Of course, it's an M3. That's the lip I had. Does look nice and white. Oh, the car. That's adorable. Here's another one. Beautiful. Not sure if this is black or not. Two-tone interior. So it has the same color as mine, but without all the black. Nice. F80 M3 in white. Oh, it's so pretty.
That's like what we rented.
Yes, in Australia. I like that it has a sign with it. How cute. So pretty. A manual shift knob. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Look at the shift knob. It's like different. I thought it was a manual for a second, but it's not.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah, the paint is beautiful. Did I go in there gracefully? Trying to find a spot. You guys can draw on it too. It's not mine. There's chalkboards. That is interesting, right? So creative. Yeah.
Should have probably wrote it a little bigger.
That's pretty big. Are you saying it's too big?
Not big enough.
I love it. Here's more BMWs. Hi, Coleman. Guys, this is the dog I want next. We have a German Shepherd, and I've been telling him I want a Corgi so bad. Some classic Mercedes. These are really pretty. Very, very classic. I totally thought it was a wrap. This is like one of the only MGs I actually really liked. Let's see what year? 2013. Well, it's no wonder I like it. I like the older models sometimes. It's nice. But I still love BMW far more. Okay, here's some Porsches.
But I pulled out like Google Maps and it'll like track your speed and it shows me here we're doing 320 kilometers per hour. In Europe, they have
It's so bright. There's a spider over there that I wanted to show you guys. It's like Skittles in here. Just where's the purple? Oh, there it is. There's the purple one that I saw. It's an electric one. That looks pretty cool. I wonder if the color's similar to Ruby Star M3. It's a Ruby Star. I was right. I didn't know Porsche and BMW have the same color. It looks more purple in real life, but on video it looks a little more pink. I think he likes it because it's like a long sedan. Like this is his thing. He likes long sedans, right? Like I can see why you like it. I see like the M6 in this, but like in the Audi form, obviously. Okay, I like this Audi for the green color. It's a S4. The carbon looks cool. Yeah, it looks really nice for 2015. I wonder if this is now. I don't think it's factory paint. I think this is a wrap. Yeah, it does look nice. I'm not gonna lie. Something about the green I love. Looks good with the carbon. It blends in. 633 CSI 5-speed. $1,000 an hour and a half ago, and right now the current bid with no reserve is $15,250. GT3 RS, like that is top of the line as far as I know. Shell station, come check out this beauty. It is gorgeous, and it is going to sell today at 1 o'clock with no reserve. So if you've got $15,251, you could be the high bidder right now, but we're guessing